Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create professional CV using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Canva. You can visit canva.com or you can open Canva application and then you're going to go to the template and here you can search CV. You can enter the keyword like this. Okay. You can also add professional, so the result can be more specific. Okay, and then you can choose one of the template that you like. And for example, I'm going to choose this one. This one looks professional and simple. And then you can click on customize this template. And then you can replace the photo on the template with your own photo. You can edit the text as well. You can input your contact, your education, your skill, language, experience, and your information. And I'm going to go to the upload. You can upload your photo. And wait, I'm going to delete the photo. And I'm going to replace it with my photo. Wait guys, I'm still looking for the photo. Okay, I'm just going to add random photo to the design. Okay, and then you can customize it like this. You're done. And then you can also change the color. And yeah, that's so simple. You just need to add it and adjust it to your need or your preference. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create professional CV using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.